The jungle consumes everything. It preys on the old, the sick, the wounded. It preys on the weak. You are Lord of the Apes, King of the Jungle, Tarzan. Tarzan. We are about to show you an incredibly low fare. Like all our fares, you get 2 free bags and 0 change fees. Because what's the point of an incredibly low fare if you're just going to stack fees on top of it? Our fares have nothing up their sleeves. Book them now at southwest.com. Low fares, nothing to hide. That's transparency. The Capital One Cash Rewards card gives you a 50% annual bonus, and everyone likes 50% more rubles.
50% more simoleon. 50% more Starbucks. 50% more clams. It's a lobster. Either way.
The Capital One Cash Rewards card with the 50% annual cash bonus. It's the card for people who like more cash.
50% more dollars. What's in your wallet?
Attention football fans, Southwest is having a sale. Let us run some numbers by you real quick in terms that'll stick. Right now, get fares as low as touchdown, with an extra point, of course, field goal, score. Book for as low as $73 one way, now at southwest.com. Low fares, nothing to hide. That's transparency. Every insurance policy has a number. But not every insurance company understands the life behind it. For those who've served and the families who supported them, we offer our best service in return. USAA. We know what it means to serve. Get an insurance policy and see why 92% of our members plan to stay for life. At Frost, 91% of our customers stay with our bank year after year, which means 9% don't. Some change their marital status. Others no longer need us. But if you leave because we could have done something better, so we won't stop pushing, refining, retooling, refueling, tweaking, thinking, and bending over backwards to move things forward. We know that's a lot of work for just a few customers, but to us, they're worth it. This is not a hotel. It's an idea that travel should be brilliant. The promise of space is as expansive as your imagination, offering surprises that will change as often as you do. This is not 4 walls. It's reinvention that will open your mind. Innovation that makes checking in as easy as a checkout. And room to breathe. This is not business as usual. It's a new way to inspire, create, connect, and yes, dream. You're on a journey to make your travels uncomplicated, unforgettable, brilliant. Because it's not only about where you're staying, it's about where you're going. Marriott. Travel brilliantly.
Let's fight into the sharks.
Let's feed to the sharks.
And take all of his gold.
And take all of his gold and hide it from the crew. They're all morons anyway.
I never said that.
And they smell bad too.
No, you all smell wonderful. I smell bad.
If you're a parent, you repeat things. It's what you do. If you want to save 15% or more in car insurance, you switch to Geico. It's what you do.
It's what you do.
Why am I so devastatedly handsome? I'm in a fragrance ad and my sweetheart's gone sayonara. This scarf is all that's left to remember. What? She washed this like a month ago. How's a guy supposed to move on?
The long-lasting scent of gang flings. 17 million of them own weapons, and they make up nearly half of all registered gun owners in Texas, and more of them continue to pick up firearms every day. It's a firepower free-for-all tonight at 10, only on News 4 San Antonio.